I'm Kira from DKB Fitness. Today I would like to review the deadlift. It is an important move in kettlebell because a lot of the kettlebell lifts move off of this lift. This is the beginning of most kettlebell lifts. So I will show you the lift, then I will explain how to do it, and we'll do it together. Here is the deadlift. Okay, so let's start with this. You will take your feet and put them approximately shoulder width apart. I like to say the outside of the shoulder, not the inside. Your toes are facing slightly outward. From here, you're going to take your hands and place them in the crease of your pants, which is also where your hip joint is. Right here, take your hands and start to push your hips back. So you're pushing your hips back and coming out. From the side, here, push back. As you push back, you slightly bend your knees. Slightly bend your knees and push back, lengthening the spine. Again, here, hinge at the hip, slightly bend the knees, hinge back with a long spine. You probably feel at this point that the weight is on the heel. Check that it is. You'll know by wiggling your toes. Push in through the heel and squeeze out. Keep squeezing your butt, pull your kneecaps up, and tighten your abs. Let's put it all together. Shoulder width apart. Toes are slightly pointed out. Hands in this position. Put them in the crease of the pant. Push back, hinge at the hip, lengthen the spine, slightly bend the knees. Push into the heel, squeeze the glutes, squeeze the knees, pull everything up, and tighten the abs. This is the deadlift position. You'll know you're doing the deadlift position when the knees stay behind the feet and the hip stays on the hinge mark, which I like to use a stick for. So if I'm reaching back and hinging, I'm going to stay right here on this line. If I bend my knees and go vertical, up and down, my knees will go forward and my hips will drop down and will not hinge along this line. This is dangerous and not a good position for the knees. Let's pick up the kettlebell now. You need to step inside, or you need to step so that the kettlebell is inside your feet. I like to say it's at the instep of the foot. From here, I'm going to take my hands, hinge back, lengthen the spine, slightly bend the knees, reach down, and grab a hold of your kettlebell. From here, give your lats a little tug, suck them down, push in through the heel, squeeze the glutes, pull the kneecaps up, lengthen the spine, and brace the abs. This is the top of your deadlift position. And all I have to do now is reverse the move. From here, hinge back, lengthen the spine, reach the butt back, slightly bend the knees, and set your kettlebell down. Thank you.